Hi everyone, my name is Amjad Ali and I'm a smart home enthusiast. Today I'm excited to show you the SONOFF NSPanel Pro, a powerful, versatile smart home control panel. This is the enclosure stand for NSPanel, and here is the cable. Let me do the installation of NSPanel Pro. Start this. Language English. Muscat, Oman. So this is my region, and searching for the Wi-Fi. So here is my Wi-Fi here. I'll enter the password here. All right, so before I log in, first of all, I'll be registering with the app. So here is my app. All right, so it's done here. Add devices, and here I need to scan the QR code. Okay, and I'll scan the QR code here, and that's it. Now you can see here. All right, so new version is available here. So here I'll go into settings, and in settings you can see here about, and in about a software update is required. So I'll just go and install the software update. So I'll confirm this. So we'll wait for the installation to complete here. So I'm just waiting for this to reboot. It has rebooted now, and if I do the voice call here, so you can see here, so there is a call also between the NSPanel Pro and the phone. Swipe it down, you will see all the options here. Add the device, so you can tap on add the device and start pairing. Zigbee device is supported here, and here you can see temperature and humidity sensor, and it has been added. So I'll be going back here and add the other devices. Camera, so make sure that once you have turned on the camera, you will hear the sound to connect it. So you will hear the sound. So it says that use the mobile phone for the Wi-Fi configuration. So you'll simply go here to sound pairing option. So I'm using this Wi-Fi network here, and here is the password for the Wi-Fi network, and next and confirm. Now we'll wait for the camera to receive the Wi-Fi configuration. Device is connected, for example living room for the time being, and done. So now the camera is connected here. If I see here cam, so camera is right now available here. Three devices right now are connected. So I'll be using this door sensor on my home lab. Open the battery here. So here the battery is now activated. I'll go back here, swipe it down, and add the device, start pairing. And while you start the pairing, you need to of course press and hold this one. Once it will start blinking red. The door sensor is also connected. So I'll just finish this, and this is now door and window sensor, which is connected right now. Signals are instantly being sent to the sensor. All right, so these two door sensors are now ready to be placed, and now I'll be taking another device, which is the motion sensor. In the other sensors, so I'll be just closing this down here. So I'll be pressing and holding this up. Here you can see that motion sensor is detected right now. So I'll be tapping and finish. Now you can see here that motion sensor, door window sensor, temperature sensor, and two door sensors are in fact detected right now. Smart power meter switch I have connected to my home lab right now. And in order to pair this will be a Bluetooth device, power meter, and I'll place it in the home lab. This is Zigbee smart plug. Swipe up and add the device and start pairing. And you can see here that the smart plug is available right now. Finish this setup here. Let me show you how we can use the NS Panel Pro. So I'll be going here and swiping it from top. Firstly, you will see here add devices. And of course, if you have Zigbee devices, so I have paired it, you have already seen that. And here, if you see the notice, so in case there is motion detected, so all the notifications will be coming here, the door sensor or motion sensor, all the notifications will be here. And of course, when there is a call from the app, which is here, NS Pro, and here I can do the voice call. So once the voice call is there, so on other side, if I'm trying to call my home, so other side, the call can be received here. And in alarm, you can set the wake up alarm. These are the themes. Now I'm using the standard theme here, which is dynamic default theme. So you can choose any theme that you like of your choice. Now, for example, I want to have this theme. I'll just simply save it here. My theme is now stored here. Add cam. So if there is any other RTSP camera or DIY camera, add in those cameras here. Name path can be mentioned here. So you will mention the IP address and the port number. So it will stream that camera here and you will be able to see the streaming of that. Then is the settings that you usually see in your Android devices. Wi-Fi network setting is there. So in case you want to connect it with any other Wi-Fi network, EV-Link account through smartphone, I have already connected that and you can see it here. My device is connected. Set the time zone. Right now it is selected Shanghai. So I'll be choosing UTC +4. So my time zone is selected to Muscat right now. And then the weather. So which city you want to see the weather for. So I'll be choosing the city for Muscat. I'll see Muscat weather over here. And then the display and language setting is here. Volume, you can change the volume settings from here. All right, and then about, it will show you the device details. So it is NS Panel Pro. The latest version of the software is already installed and the OS and IP address and all other details are here. So you can reboot or reset the device to factory default. Memory usage is 13%, CPU usage. These are the options which were available here on this device. All the devices that I had are installed here already. So I'll be just going back here. So panel will help you to quickly access various options here to see what is happening at your home right now. And these will be placed on different locations. So I'll show you that as well. I need to do the settings in the app. So in app, there is detailed setting available. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more smart home technology reviews and tutorials. Stay connected and I'll see you in next video.